Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we're going to find sum of radicals. Today we have root 8 plus root 8. Don't think it is root 16. That is not right. When we have radicals like this, we will try to solve this. Let's look at the possible answers we have here. They are all with root 2, root 32, 2 root 2 and root 16. Let's see which one is possible. When we have two of the same bases, we can add them. So this comes up. This is 2 root 8. The answer is not here. So let's try to simplify it further. Let's say 8 breaks down to 2, 4, 2 and 2. So 8 breaks down to 2 root 2. So this will be equal to 2 into 8 is now, root 8 is now 2 root 2, which is 4. 2 2s are 4 and root 2. Is that answer here? It is not here. Then the only other way to find the answer is to try to bring the 4 under the root sign by multiplying by itself. By squaring it, we can bring it under the root sign. 4 4s are 16. So we get the square root of 4 squared into 2 is the same as this. So 4 squared is 16 into 2 is 32. The square root of 32 is your answer. And choice B will be the right answer. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.